Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. Definitely grab your nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video, and of course, if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and be notified every time I upload a new video. But yeah, let's get back in the whole application and all of the items that I'm going to use. I am going to use the Apricot base coat by Dior. I know this one is super expensive. I've actually done an entire first trying out swatches review video on the base and top coat by Dior, as well as two colors from their spring 2021 collection. So if you're curious to hear my thoughts about that, definitely check out that video once you're done watching this one, because I was quite surprised, to be honest, even though these are hella expensive. But you know, sometimes you have to splurge a little bit on yourself and just buy something really pretty, really expensive. And yeah, I was actually really happy with the polishes, and especially with the base and the top coat, because not only do they protect my nails pretty good from staining, but also chipping, tip wear and so on. They do dry really fast as well. It's actually pretty much one of my favorite base and top coats next to the PJR Care nail polish ones, and I've used those for so long and so often, it's insane. Of course, the Dior ones are a lot more expensive, but pretty nice in my opinion. And you guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me ever since I started doing nail designs, like back in December, I think it was December 2017. If you've been hanging out with me for that long of a time, I really appreciate you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I really love that. But yeah, you guys know that I really love my affordable products, such as Essence, Catrice and so on. But yeah, you know, sometimes you just have to splurge a little, and I pretty much did. And I can't wait to actually get some budget free to buy some other colors from Dior, because they were really good. But let's continue to the color that I'm going to use in this nail polish of the week video. This one is from Catrice. It is called Peach Me. It's number 107 or 107, however you want to call that or pronounce that. It is such a lovely, cute, almost a pastel neon kind of color. It is from their new spring summer 2021 collection update. It is from their regular Iconails nail polish collection, so it isn't limited edition or anything like that, but they just released their new colors, I think it was in March this year, as they usually do with their spring summer collections. And of course in September, which will be upcoming pretty soon as well, you know, time flies when you're having fun, they will come out with some other colors from their fall winter collection. They have like a 2-year annual kind of update, which is pretty cool. So they don't only update their nail polishes, but of course their makeup items as well. And I've been really loving one of the concealers by Catrice actually. Usually they are like way too yellow for me, or they oxidize the crap out of it. But they're actually pretty good at the moment. So yeah, but yeah, you know, I'm just really rambly today. I am going to get back into this nail polish because now I'm talking about makeup, like what's going on? But if you're curious to see some more makeup videos, definitely let me know as well, or just follow me at Instagram. I do a little bit more makeup stuff on there. All of the information is in the description box if you're curious. But this color is such a cute, peachy, corally, definitely bright kind of like pastel color. I think it's a really cute color, and if you know how light this color is, I was actually quite surprised with the first coat and how opaque it was already. It's not bad. It is still streaky. There are some bald like patchy spots every like here and there, if you know what I mean, but I didn't feel like it was really a bad first coat, to be honest. But of course I am going in with a second layer, because you never want to judge a nail polish by its first coat, and I would always recommend to go in with a second layer anyways. Even though your polish looks completely opaque with the first coat, just apply a thin second layer to make sure it is fully leveled out and fully opaque, especially if you're like me and you like your natural nails to not shine through your manicure or nail polish or anything like that. You just like a solid opaque application. Definitely go in with that second coat. And I do feel like it gives a little bit more protection to your natural nails as well, especially if you have longer nails like I do. They're not super long while recording this video, but you know, they've been quite a lot longer for the last couple of years, off and on, of course, because sometimes you just break a nail. It happens, especially if you have quite a manual job like I have in daily life as well. Like, I lift really heavy stuff, like a lot at work, and sometimes like stuff happens and you break a nail or a corner or something like that, you know. So yeah, actually adding that second layer on top of the first coat and the base coat layer, of course, just gives a little extra protection. But yeah, that second coat, I was actually pretty impressed with how the entire like finish looked. I do feel like my camera kind of messed up a little bit. There's like a little bit of like patchiness going on that wasn't really visible to like the naked eye in real life. So I do think that my camera actually picked up a little bit of sheerness that was still going on, like not visible to the naked eye, if you know what I mean, you know. Yeah, I of course record my videos with 3 big LED lights, so yeah, there is a lot more visible on camera than you would actually see with your own eyes. But yeah, as you could see, I already cleaned up a little bit on my cuticle area because I had a little bit of spillage going on the cuticle area on my thumb. So you can just remove that with a brush and maybe some nail polish remover like I did. You can use some acetone as well, which is a little bit more harsh to the skin and it's kind of like dehydrating and stuff. So yeah, if you have the option to actually use a non-acetone nail polish remover, definitely go for it. I feel like it's a lot less harsh to my skin and nails. But yeah, to finish off this entire nail polish of the week video, I am going to apply a top coat. This is just a random top coat I have got by Essie. I think this one is from the advent calendar from last December 2020. So yeah, it's not really a super special one, but it does work pretty nicely. It gives like a gel-like effect. It is super shiny, super pretty. I love my glossy finishes. So yeah, that was pretty much it. There is a little bit of like a black fluff going on my middle fingernail. I don't even know how it got there. I just blame my cats. I've got no idea because they run around on my work desk all the time. I just think it just flew into my wet layer of top coat, you know. Stuff happens. But yeah, this was actually the entire new nail polish of the week video. I'm so sorry I'm so rambly today, but I just had a really long day at work and I'm still like hyped and pumped up from that. So sorry about that, it's quite rambly. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and yeah, as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos as well.